chop this hair up a little bit. This is why I really just prefer shorter textures, because I end up like cutting the hair anyways to get the look that I like to go for, which is more like a voluminous, volume, full type of wig. So anyways, we're gonna get into it real quick before my camera dies. Let's go ahead and talk about the detail. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So basically you get 13 inches of lace around the front, and then you get 4 inches of parting space. This is pretty much a basic lace frontal wig. There's no pre-plucked hairline, there's no bleached knots, there's no like, you know, transparent HD lace or anything like that. This is just a regular traditional lace frontal wig, but it's just a 13x4. The density is probably like a 150 density, because the texture on this wig is a lot fuller than what I would normally expect from a 24-inch wig, which I think a lot of companies have pretty much upgraded the density on their 24-inch wig. I'm noticing that a lot of companies are just, you know, not sending out, or hopefully not even creating like the thinner 24-inch wigs that used to be available like back in the day. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with today. So I just decided to put some layers in the hair, put some big curls. At first I was going for a completely different look, but the hair wasn't doing what I needed it to do, because I really just didn't want to go in and just like chop this hair up. So I just decided to do like a side part look. Even though the lace is not HD or transparent or an upgraded lace, it was an okay lace. It was easy to blend the lace. It was easy to pluck the hairline. Even though the lace knots were originally black, it did blend into the skin pretty well. I was able to get the hairline to look a lot like skin with the help of concealer, of course. Overall, the hair is super soft, and it does get super flat, as you guys saw. I really didn't have any issues with parting the hair. I felt like the density is more so in the hair and not in the hairline, which I tell you guys all the time is so important when it comes to choosing a lace frontal wig, because you don't want to have so much fullness in the hairline when you're trying to pluck and achieve a natural look. It's going to be a super hard task to do, and it's also going to take a very long time to pluck an over saturated, a high density lace frontal. It's just going to be extremely hard to pluck a frontal that has a lot of hair in it. So I mean, overall I think it's a very cute basic wig. Now I will say this: if you're not so much a beginner, but you're somewhat aware of what to do, and let's just say you know how to bleach knots. If you know how to bleach knots, then I definitely think this is a wig that you can consider. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.